Hey there everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this haul video. So I ordered a good chunk of things from Simon Says Stamp, and I'll just open this here. It's funny about this one here, this is the Wow Blue Tang regular embossing powder, and this was back ordered for quite a while. It's very hard to find like real blue embossing powder, not navy, but like this kind of blue. So I'm very happy that I got this, and hopefully we'll be able to use it real soon. I got a whole slew of inks, but I thought first I'd go through some of these. I got 4 packages of this gold bling. I use a lot of gold bling and it is really hard to find. I like this because it's got the different sizes, so I grabbed 3 packs of that, and this is Fun Stamper's Journey, and I think that is pretty good that I finally found some of those. Now I grabbed this. Jennifer McGuire did a video on this stamp set, and I just loved how the butterfly turned out. You don't need 50 different colors like flowers to do layering. You literally have the black outline and then a light and dark tone, and I thought, well, that's a lot simpler. It's easier to line up the butterfly, so I thought this was the perfect set for me. So this one here is called the Color Layering Monarch Butterfly, and that's CM331, and again, this is Hero Arts. And it's got the 3 pieces for the layering butterfly, but it also has some nice sentiments. You've got hello and friend, and a couple little flowers in here. You are lovely, sending butterfly wishes, and then down here, I cherish you. So really like the set, really nice, good layering set, but also a few good sentiments in there as well. I grabbed a set of this Pink Posh, and this is the 6mm sparkling clear sequins. And I just wanted this size. I had a lot of the little ones and I wanted some more of these, so I grabbed those. And then this here is their new sentiment strips. And what's really interesting about these is you can foil them too. So I really didn't buy them because I needed sentiments. I bought them because you could foil them. I can make my own sentiments no problem, and I do all of the time, but I don't have a laser printer at home, and it's the laser toner that the foil sticks to. So I actually bought this basically to foil with. Now if I open this up, we'll just take a look at what's inside here, and I'm definitely not going to read all the sentiments, but as you can see, there is quite a few pages. Let's see, there's 1 page there, there's 2 pages there. Okay, so there's 4 pages of sentiments. They look to all be different sentiments, and this one's kind of a love theme, this is kind of a birthday theme, this is kind of a thinking of you sympathy theme, and this is like friendship and thank you and that type of thing. So really good selection for sentiments. My only worry about is, will I be able to cut these and will they all come out straight? I like to have kind of my sentiments pretty much done up, and if I print them off my computer and I cut them funny, then it's no problem. But for these, you obviously want to cut them perfectly straight, or if you're going to use a die cut, I don't know if there's enough room, but I will try these out and I will let everybody know. So I got those, and then I got another pack of these. Now these are these storage sleeves by Simon Says Stamp, and as you can see, there's their little code, SLV50. There's 50 in here of these sleeves, and I use these to hold all of my die cuts as well as some of my stamps. And not only that, if I die cut a whole bunch of things, then I can put it in the sleeve and I can organize it. They're fairly thick, and I find that I haven't had too many break, and I've had them for quite a while. So I grabbed another 50 of these, and then I have more on my Distress Oxide buying. I have bought Twisted Citron, Mustard Seed, Rusty Hinge, Stormy Sky, Festive Berries, Old Paper, Crushed Olive, and Gathered Twigs. So that really helps kind of top up the oxide inks that I have and should add quite a big variety more of the color. I'll just show you this quickly here. If you put this code HP2T9, you will save $5, and that is again until May 30th. So there's a little coupon code for you guys from this haul. But I really like a lot of these things. I should continue to enjoy these distress inks. I really like having more colors, especially with all the blending. You can kind of blend them in a little easier if you've got more colors. And I love these sentiment strips. I can't wait to use them and to find out, you know, how they cut and that. And this is such a beautiful set. Can't wait to play with that. So I hope you enjoyed this little haul. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.